I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Checking your statement on TD Online Banking is straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Log into your TD Online Banking account. Start by visiting the TD Bank website or opening the TD app on your device. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Accounts. Once logged in, look for the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. This is where you'll find an overview of all your accounts. Step 3. Select the account. Click on the specific account for which you want to check the statement. This could be your checking, savings, or credit card account. Step 4. Access statements. After selecting the account, look for the Statements or Documents option in the menu. This is where you can view your past statements. Step 5. Choose the statement period. Select the desired statement period from the drop-down menu. You can usually view statements for the last few months or even download them as PDFs. Remember, if you're looking for a specific statement, make sure to check the correct month in the drop-down. Otherwise, you might end up viewing an older statement than intended. I hope this helps you easily access your statements. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.